Hey investors, it's Dr. Marcia from Bookworm Investment Club, the creator and the founder of Bookworm, and it's where we help women to build and manage their personal stock portfolios. So today, Disney, what's up with the dividends? So let's chat about Disney. And full disclosure, I do own shares of Disney in my personal portfolio, and we also own shares of Disney in our family investment club. And even though I'm chatting about Disney, it's not a recommendation to go out and buy it. Okay? As I do every morning, I read the Wall Street Breakfast from Seeking Alpha. And if you're an investor, I also encourage you to do the same. And one of the articles today featured information about Disney Plus and how Disney Plus had hit 100 million subscribers. Now, you may say, so what? So what is that they did it in 16 months after it was launched. Now, even its competitor, the CEO of Netflix, had to tip his hat to them because it actually took Netflix about a decade to be able to say that they reached that 100 million subscriber mark. So it's quite a feat. It's quite significant. The other thing is that the price of Disney has grown since the crash. It went from, $79 this time last year, and the price of it now is at $195. So Disney is doing very well, except with their dividends. Last year, because of COVID, because they had to close down their theme parks, the board of directors decided to suspend their dividends. Now, Disney has been giving dividends for over 40 years. So this was pretty significant, the fact that they suspended their dividends. And no word yet on what's going to be happening with their dividends. Now, they did have a shareholders meeting on the 9th of March, and it's a virtual meeting, so I was able to listen to it. I just finished listening to it. And what they do at the shareholders meeting is it's open to all shareholders. And of course, they talk about what's been happening with Disney. And at the end, they pick shareholders to ask questions. And so I knew somebody was going to have to ask about this dividend. So of course, one of the last questions was, what are you going to do with the dividends? So the new CEO acknowledged the fact that they knew that the dividends to us shareholders was important, and they at some point in the future will be reinstating those dividends. Now, when, he did not say. We do know that Disney is a little bit unusual. Most companies will give dividends quarterly. But with dividends, they only pay out their Disney only pays their dividends twice a year, and that is in July and also in January. So they didn't pay it in July of last year, and in this year, they still did not pay their dividend. So to all of you all who are shareholders in Disney, keep your ears open for in the month of June, because they should be giving us more information as to whether or not they're going to be paying us that dividend in July. Okay? But it's not all about the dividends. As an investor, we also want to invest in companies that are growing companies. And in order to be able to do this, we want to analyze our companies before we buy them. And the question is, do you have a system or way of analyzing your companies. And if you don't, well, we at Bookworm Investment Club can help you do that through our signature program, the Stock Starter course. And so I encourage you to go to our website, and at the top right-hand corner, you'll see courses. Click the button that says the Stock Starter course. It gives you information about the course, and the goal of that is to take you as an investor, especially if you, the market just closed, especially if you are a new investor. The goal is to take you from being that new investor all the way up to being able to build your portfolio and also to manage your portfolio. And so in that way we can help you accomplish your goal of building a profitable stock portfolio. So that's all I have for now. Have a great rest of the day and take care of yourself. Keep investing, and we will chat later. Bye-bye.